Today we are going to discuss one of the most important thing inside the JavaScript, and that is called the partial application. Before discussing about the partial application, we at first review about the query because partial application is also related to query. So basically, what is the currying? And in the previous video, we have also discussed about the currying. The currying is basically the transformation of function. If you can be able to write a function, normally we have to write the function like this, then we can be able to also transform this function that will be looks like this. And this is the example for the currying. And if you can be able to execute this function, then it will be do the same thing as if you have to multiply the function in the previous way. Here we have to pass the arguments at a time. Here we are passing the arguments separately. And what is the partial application? The partial application is basically expanding the idea of currying. It is also a type of currying, but it is the idea of expanding the idea of currying and taking one step further for separating the parameter out. That in that case we are separating the parameters out. If you have more than three arguments in the function, then sorry, it will be then then you can bind one of them to be used later. How? Just take an example. Just take an example. Suppose I have a function called multiply, and here I need to pass the three arguments a comma b comma c, and here it will return. Sorry, it will. If I am writing like this, then it will also return. And here I am declaring a variable called curried multiply by 7. That is, I want to fix this number that it will always multiply with the 7. And here I am using multiply dot bind, and I am separating, I am adding here the null, and the second argument will be the 7. That is, it will always multiply with the 7. And here, if I am writing console.log, then and here I will pass all the two arguments, rest of the two arguments. Partial application. And here I am passing 4 comma 7. Now let's check what will happen. Yes, this number has been multiplied. That, and this is an example of partial application. Basically, the partial application, what is doing it is doing what? Uh, it is basically taking one step further of the currying. Inside the currying, we have to separate all the arguments separately. But inside the partial application, we will take one step further, and it can be able to fix one of the argument so that it will be multiplied with the same number. uh, it will use as a constant that if I am using this function, then this variable will be always multiplied with the 7. That is one of them argument will be always 7. So this is all about the partial application. uh, uh, this is all about the partial application. We will come with the next topic inside the next video. Till then, thank you, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you.